Hi, my name's Craig Verbruggen. I'm the head of Horizon Online school, based out of Coffs Harbour, and we love our tech. Myself and Mr. Norbury, we both have postgrad credentials in digital learning and teaching, so we love everything about how we can support learners online as much as possible. We trial tech so that we can upskill our staff in our online school for best practice and innovative approaches on how we can better connect with the students and how we can make it a more authentic experience for them at home, online, or wherever they are. If they're sporting kids around the globe, if they're on a farm, if they're at home as well. So lots of students on lots of walks of life. And our passion is serving them as best as possible and their families so that they can feel comfortable and confident in their pathway and their learning. So today is our first unboxing video that we're going to do, and I'm going to do a series of these. It is after school here, and going to unbox here what we have got. This is the XP pen is the company, and we've got the Artist 15.6 Pro V2 drawing display. Okay, so this is a color drawing display that can be connected to your computer via USB, and it essentially works as a alternative mirrored display, like connecting your computer to a monitor instead of traditional pads, which I will actually give you a look at. This is a more traditional pad that you would see, a bit like competitors from Wacom and other brands as well. So I'll look at an unboxing of that. That's a bit more for a student use or a mobile use, but this is more for one of our recording studios and our Zoom studios that we do at our online school. So we'll have a look at what's in here. All right, so as we open it, we've got this foam protective layer at the top. We've got the 15.6 inch display monitor. It's a touchpad. Protective wrapping here. All right, so we have got a little bit of a film over the top of that, and there's a little tab here to peel that off. So there is a protective film that we've got on that screen. Inside the box here, we've got a folding stand. All right. I can see some power adapters in here. So we do have some of these in progress already, but I'm just doing a unboxing in this video. I'll do a video on the use of this for Zoom lessons. So it's a folding stand. We find that they're quite good in flat level, particularly for using for digital teaching using Zoom apps. I do use Notability on the laptop and use that a lot on the iPad as well. So this is different series of power adapters for different countries and a box there. We've also got the pen. Okay, well, that slides off. The pen cover has nibs at one end, so there are 8 spare nibs, but it comes preloaded with a nib there. So The pen case is quite nice. It means that pen can't roll somewhere easily and lose that. This does have a touch receptive end of the pen that actually can be used to set that as the eraser function. It also has 2 buttons on here, which is quite handy in Zoom, and I'll show you those in the functionality video in the future. And we've got a manual in here. It does have this, it's like a 2-finger glove that it comes with to allow it to slide over the screen. It's a matte finish screen. It looks gloss here, but when you pull the gloss protector off, it is matte underneath. And I've noticed that your hand slides quite well on that. And then it has cabling. If you're trying to use your own USB-C cable, because probably best power I've noticed is USB-C to USB-C. It comes with USB-A. Not too useful these days on latest MacBooks and other computer devices. This one has a to C. Again, not overly useful, so you're needing an adapter. And then this one is a USB-C to USB-C. So that tends to be what we use to power this. It's powered by your device, so that goes into there. It can have a separate power into the other power, into the other USB-C adapter. They're both USB-C. So one is the monitor in from your device, your computer. It needs XP Pen software in order to run that. The other one is an alternative power source into it if your device doesn't have enough power to actually run it. So if you notice that the blue light turns on and then disappears, then your device is not giving it enough power. So you'd need to plug an extra power one into here. We notice on the Mac Minis in the studio, they can struggle providing power straight into the monitor out. However, MacBook Pro or a device like that seems to have more than enough power in order to get the screen working. But that's the unboxing of everything inside the 15.6 Artist by XP Pen.